Tell me about now. If we have realtors listening, we talked a lot about investors. I want to flip it over to realtors because we have quite a bit of listening to realtors, and you help realtors. What advice are you giving realtors? Right, like what kind of content can a realtor create? What can they do to build their business up?
Yeah, so as I said, it's so dependent on who their ideal avatar is, and but for in terms of content, I here's what I love to do, right? If you don't like making videos, and I'm just gonna assume we're talking to people who hate technology or don't want to use tech or
Right.
technologically opposed, right? Showing up on these shows makes your life easier because then there's software such as video.ai, and that's video.ai, not sponsored by them. But if you don't like creating content, you could literally take a long form video, upload it into video AI, and it'll automatically generate clips for you. There's software like this that you can use
Is that free?
free. It is free for the first 75 minutes of uploads per month, free of charge. But if you want, I actually plan on invest. I'm gonna invest in it soon because I'm gonna take all my previous podcast guest appearances and just upload it into Video AI and then have it generate clips for me, right? And the beauty of that is it makes everything so much easier because all you have to do now is just show up on shows. They're gonna send you a link to the YouTube video anyways. You just upload that into Video AI. You don't even have to download the file on your computer and take up space. You just upload the YouTube link and boom, it generates as much as so far from one 30-minute video, it generated anywhere from like 8 to 15 clips for me. And you could put the captions on the screen and you put the emojis with the captions as well and make it look super nice and fancy.
And it does all of that for you, the emojis, the captions, all of that for you?
Super super, user friendly, super user friendly. I try to make only use the things that make my life easier.